Today, we're going to find the formula for calculating the total surface area of a cylinder. Here are some cylinders displayed. This is a cylinder that can unfold itself to show what it's made of. There are three surfaces that together make a cylinder. They are the curved surface or the lateral surface and the two circular surfaces, one at the top and the other at the bottom. The total surface area is the sum of all the areas of all the shapes that cover the surface of an object. Why do you think we need to find the surface area of objects? And what are the practical applications of finding the surface areas? If we want to paint a house, we need to know the surface area of the walls to calculate the volume of paint required and the cost involved. We need to know the surface area of a floor for understanding the cost of tiling or carpeting the floor. To wrap a can or a cylinder such as this with art paper, we need to know its surface area. Let's do just that now. We use a template like the one shown here. We have two identical templates of the pieces required. We have cut out the rectangular piece and the two circular pieces. Now we will roll the rectangular piece in such a way that the opposite edges just touch each other. Let's join the two edges using some gum tape. What we have now is the curved surface of the cylinder. We now attach the circular pieces, one at the top and one at the bottom of the cylinder, using some gum tape again. Here we have our closed cylinder. We are now sure that a cylinder is made up of a rectangular piece and two circular pieces. You can see that in the template here. We will now use the pieces of this template for measurements. To find the surface area of a cylinder, we need to add the surface areas of the pieces comprising it, the two circular pieces and a rectangular piece. Simple, isn't it? Here's the rectangle. We know that the area of a rectangle is the product of its two sides, that is, its length and breadth. The breadth of the rectangle is the height of the cylinder, while the length of the rectangle is equal to the circumference or the perimeter of the circle. Let us measure the height of the cylinder with a ruler. The height of the cylinder in this case is 24 centimeters. So the area of the rectangle is 2 pi rh. The length of the rectangle is the same distance as the circumference of the circle. Let's check that out. For this, first measure the length of the rectangular piece. Take a string and cut the string with the length equal to the length of the rectangle. Place it on the circumference of the circle, on the top or the bottom of the cylinder. It fits perfectly. Hence the length L can be replaced by the circumference, which is equal to 2 pi r. Now, let us find the area of the circular piece at the top or the bottom. To find the radius of the circular piece, mark its center. And draw its radius. Measure the radius. The radius is 5.5 centimeters. The area of a circle is given by the formula pi r squared. Since there are two circular pieces, both at the top and the bottom of the cylinder, the area of the circular pieces together is 2 pi r squared. The total surface area of the cylinder is the sum of the curved surface area of the cylinder and the areas of the two circles, top and base. So here we have the formula for the total surface area.